Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day. You know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I'm going to share all the information that you need to know, from photos, detailed photos, prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. We're almost there. I would really appreciate it for every subscription. Thank you so much. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start first with the new collection from the Low-Key, which would be launching April 11th. First, we have the Cookie size MM. Price of this one is 3,500 USD. Material is calfskin leather with calf leather lining. Color is walnut. It comes with adjustable strap and detachable monogram canvas pochette, as we could see here. Next on the collection, we have Cookie size MM. Price is 3,500 USD. Still from the Low-Key collection. Material is calfskin leather, and as you're going to see, this is the interior. It comes with the fully detachable monogram canvas pochette. I love that one. Actually, I love the shape of the Cookie MM. I love the slouchy leather, and of course, I love the very minimal Louis Vuitton logo. Next, it would also come in my personal favorite, which is in color noir. Cookie size MM. Price is 3,500 USD. We have SKU here from the Low-Key collection. So this is the interior. I love the contrast of the black leather with the brown interior. Still would come with the monogram canvas pochette, and this is the adjustable strap. Next, we have the zipper card holder. For the price, please stand by, but we have the SKU here, M14551. Kindly screenshot for your reference. Material is calfskin leather. It would have a calf leather lining as well. Color of this one is cognac, and it would come with gold hardware. I also love the feel of this very chic zipper card holder from the Low-Key collection. Next, it would come in the color noir. We have the zipper card holder. We do not have the price yet. Kindly stand by. But we have SKU M14550. Guys, are you also noticing the monogram canvas zipper pull tab? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, next on the Low-Key collection, we have the Hobo size PM. Price of this one is 3,000 euro or 3,400 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. Material is calf leather with calf leather lining. Color is walnut. It would come with gold hardware. It would come with monogram canvas pochette. So the shoulder strap is also adjustable, just like with this photo over here. Next guys, we have the LV Bloom collection. That would be launching April 11th. I love this one guys, very chic. wallet on chain. Price of this one is 1,950 USD. We have SKU here. Material is calf leather. Color is coral. It would come with gold hardware, detachable leather, and adjustable strap. It would come with chain strap as well. Next, it would come in the color sand. We have wallet on chain. Same price, 1,950 USD. I love this one better than the color because it is neutral. Definitely, it would fit on all our wardrobe colors. So again, it is made of leather. Just kindly take note, guys, that this is a wallet on chain. So this is just perfect for maybe evening events. Then we have this very beautiful Capucines compact wallet. Price of this one, guys, is 1,300 USD. Wow, very expensive. So this one, the material is Tyrolean leather with calf leather lining. Color is navy, and it would come with gold hardware. So it comes with the enamel finish on the logo as well. Then guys, how cute is this one? Tiny recto verso. Price is 535 USD from the LB Bloom collection. It is a card holder. Material is calfskin leather. It would also have calf leather lining. Color is azure blue. It would come with gold hardware as we can see here. I love also the silver Louis Vuitton flower. Next on the collection, we have coin purse, and the price of this one is 605 USD. We have SKU here for your reference. So this is a card holder. Material is empreinte leather. It will have calf leather lining. Color is lime. It will also come in gold hardware. Launching April 2025. Just kindly take note of the exact date. Next, guys, how cute is this one? Pocket wallet. Price is 705 USD. SKU M14628 from the Louis Vuitton Bloom collection. This is another card holder, and the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Color is zesty lime. The interior, it would come with gold hardware as well. Then guys, we have a new different collection. So first we have the on-the-go organizer. So this one is launching April 11, 2025. Price of this one is 2,900 euro or 3,600 USD. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap as we could see here, and detachable bag tag as well. Next on the collection, so a continuation of the spring summer 2025 collection. So we have the Speedy Soft 30. Price of this one is 3,200 euro or 3,900 USD. We have SKU here. Materials monogram canvas, cowhide leather trims, colors dune. It comes with detachable and adjustable leather crossbody strap. Then guys, we have very beautiful passport cover, 395 euro, SKU M14621. Please take note, materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather interior as we could see here. Colorway of the monogram is in dune. I also love, of course, the vintage Louis Vuitton stickers that was used on this collection. Next guys, so we have the Keepall bandolier size 45. Price of this one is 2,900 euro or 3,500 USD. Materials monogram canvas, cowhide leather trims, the colors dune, detachable and adjustable leather strap. It would come with detachable bag tag as well. As you can see, I love, of course, the contrast of the sand with the treated vachetta leather, just like with the side trunk So price of this one is 3,700 euro or 4,550 USD. We have SKU here for your reference. Material is monogram canvas in the colorway dune. It would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it would come with leather top handle as well. Then we have Keepall bandolier size 50. Price of this one is 2,950 euro or 3,650 USD. We have SKU here. So materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this is the colorway of the regular monogram canvas. It would come with detachable strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!